How to get rid of Google trending searches. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am already on my Google. So if I go out of here, you just have to go to a web browser that you usually use. So I'll just go to Chrome, but you can also go to web browser, Mozilla, Safari, or what you want. So I will go to Chrome. So from here you have to make sure that you go to google.com. So here you have to type for google.com. So once you are on this page, you have to click on those three lines from the left top corner. And then here you have to go to settings. So click on that. And at the bottom you will see autocomplete with trending searches. So here I have show popular searches, and now you have to click on do not show popular searches. So you have to do this. After that, don't forget to scroll down, because this is a very important step. You have to save the settings that you have changed, otherwise it will remain the same. So click OK. And now that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.